I've actually had some coaching colleagues ask me about this particular experience, and I've told them it's probably one of the best educational devices I've had since I got my original certification. I'm Cindy Jobs. I'm an ACC certified coach, and my business primarily works with people who are challenged with ADHD. So I was really interested in getting some perspective outside of my normal coaching curriculum that I took and get some additional feedback from coaches that I hadn't worked with before. I really loved the group coaching experience because it gave me an opportunity to listen to not only ACC level coaches, but PCC level coaches and MCC level coaches, which really helped broaden my understanding of how effective different styles of coaching could be. It allowed me to look at my coaching from a different perspective. It had been much more formulaic, and now I understand how effective you can be coaching more in the moment than I had been previously comfortable doing. I found both Lissa and Maureen to be wicked smart mentor coaches. Not only are they brilliant at their coaching and teaching, they are also very compassionate with their feedback, which allows all of us to be a bit more vulnerable, honestly.